changing out this today shower head. It says it wasn't working. There was no hot water. We found out that this head is a peerless head. It's kind of a cheap one. That they tried to put that in and it just wasn't working. So we're going to be putting in another cheap one, but better. Glacier Bay from Home Depot. Has 3 spray settings, stainless steel hose, limited time warranty. Comes with some instructions in the back. But first things first, we got to take this off. So it just twists off. They didn't have it on there very tight. But just take that off. And hopefully there's a little rubber piece in there. Just throw that in the tub for a moment. A little rubber piece, take that out. Maybe. Take these channel locks here. There we go. So that's out. Whenever you have something with rubber gaskets in it, you know, you always check the rubber gaskets. We're not going to be using those again, so but I'm going to get this ready and get the new one on. I'm going to show you the Teflon step, and then I'm going to show you the other steps, all involved with putting a new shower head on. All right, so that's our next step right there. I didn't get any to match because they told me to get the one that was cheapest, so they didn't have the one that was the cheapest, or the one that matched, so I just got the cheapest one. So that's the next step. It says don't over hand tighten this only. So basically they don't want you to strip it if you start using channel locks or my new smooth hand channel locks. So yeah, but that's that. Yeah. So I'll show you the next part in the next one. All right. So guys, this is the final product. It's not a very good shower head, but it was cheap. So hot water does work. So that's it on right there. This isn't going to be a long one. This is just how to change a shower head. They actually made this one where you didn't need Teflon tape because it has rubber gaskets. So whenever something has a rubber gasket, they're good. It still doesn't get away from the cheapness, you know, of it, but it works. So there we go. So this one had different settings and stuff. There we go. Yeah, so that's it right there. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one.